Analysis of why the Turkish Tulpar Infantry Fighting Vehicle (IFV) stands out as a game-changer in soft, muddy hill and marshy areas. 1. Advanced mobility for challenging terrains. The Tulpar tank is specifically engineered for enhanced maneuverability in difficult terrains such as muddy hills, marshes, and uneven ground. Tracked suspension system. Tracks distribute the vehicle's weight evenly, reducing ground pressure. This feature is essential for preventing the vehicle from getting stuck in mud or sinking into soft ground. Powerful engine. With a 800 horsepower diesel engine, the Tulpar tank can power through inclines, soft soil, and waterlogged areas, providing consistent performance even in extreme conditions. High ground clearance. This ensures the vehicle can traverse rocky hills and avoid being bogged down in thick mud. Pivot steering. Tracks enable the Tulpar tank to pivot in place, giving it an edge in maneuverability on narrow, muddy, or slippery trails found in hilly regions. 2. Lightweight yet durable. Weight optimization. Despite its robust armor, the Tulpar is designed to have a manageable combat weight, approximately 30 to 35 tons. This reduces the risk of sinking into soft surfaces like marshlands. Amphibious capability. The Tulpar tank can cross shallow rivers or marshes without additional preparation, making it ideal for regions with waterlogged terrain interspersed with muddy hills. 3. Firepower for all scenarios. The Tulpar is armed with a formidable set of weapons tailored for close-quarters combat in confined, rugged areas. Main weapon system. A 30mm autocannon, capable of targeting both infantry and lightly armored vehicles, ensures dominance in hilly ambush scenarios. Anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs). These enable the Tulpar to take on heavily armored threats such as tanks that may struggle in soft terrain. Secondary armament. Includes a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun for engaging infantry or soft targets in close proximity. 4. All-weather, all-terrain adaptability. Extreme weather performance. Designed to operate effectively in a wide temperature range, hot summers, cold winters, and humid conditions. Advanced electronics. Features such as thermal imaging and night vision systems ensure effective performance in foggy, rainy, or low visibility conditions common in hilly and marshy environments. 5. Modular armor and protection. Tulpar tank offers state-of-the-art protection against a variety of threats. Ballistic protection. Modular armor systems STANAG 4569 Level 4 and beyond provide resistance against heavy machine gun fire, shell fragments, and landmines. Active Protection Systems APS. Tulpar tank can be fitted with APS to intercept incoming projectiles like anti-tank rockets, which are common in ambush scenarios in hilly regions. Mine-resistant design. Reinforced undercarriage for protection against landmines and IEDs, especially crucial in muddy areas where explosives are often buried. 6. Support for infantry operations. The Tulpar acts as a force multiplier in operations, particularly in difficult terrains. Troop transport. It can carry up to 9 dismounted troops, allowing infantry to deploy quickly and effectively in hilly or marshy areas. Fire support. Its firepower ensures that dismounted infantry have close support during combat in restricted areas. Observation and reconnaissance. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it can perform reconnaissance to identify enemy positions on hilly slopes or in dense, marshy forests. 7. Strategic versatility. Multi-role capability. In addition to its primary role as an infantry fighting vehicle, the Tulpar can be adapted for reconnaissance, command and control, or medevac missions, making it highly versatile in muddy and hilly operations. Network-centric warfare. Advanced communication systems enable integration into a larger battlefield network, allowing it to coordinate effectively with other units and drones, even in isolated regions. Why Turkish Tulpar tank a game changer? Performance in difficult terrains. Where traditional wheeled or heavy-tracked vehicles fail, the Tulpar's advanced mobility ensures reliable operations. Survivability and lethality. It strikes a balance between protection, firepower, and adaptability, making it a potent weapon in asymmetrical warfare scenarios often encountered in hilly or marshy areas. Force multiplication. Its ability to transport infantry and provide direct fire support transforms how troops operate in restricted terrains. The Tulpar tanks are thus a highly capable platform, specifically suited for regions with soft, muddy ground and undulating terrain, making it invaluable in both defensive and offensive operations in such areas. Network-centric warfare. Advanced communication systems enable integration into a larger battlefield network, allowing it to coordinate effectively with other units and drones, even in isolated regions. Why Turkish Tulpar tank a game changer? Performance in difficult terrains. Where traditional wheeled or heavy tracked vehicles fail, the Tulpar's advanced mobility ensures reliable operations. Survivability and lethality. It strikes a balance between protection, firepower, and adaptability, making it a potent weapon in asymmetrical warfare scenarios often encountered in hilly or marshy areas. Force multiplication. Its ability to transport infantry and provide direct fire support transforms how troops operate in restricted terrains. The Tulpar tanks are thus a highly capable platform, specifically suited for regions with soft, muddy ground and undulating terrain, making it invaluable in both defensive and offensive operations in such areas. Tulpar tanks. Built for mud and marsh dominance. The Tulpar tank, designed for unparalleled performance in challenging terrains, stands as a testament to modern engineering. Built to navigate muddy marshlands and soft, waterlogged areas, this versatile armored vehicle combines agility, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Its advanced suspension system and lightweight yet resilient armor ensure optimal mobility and protection in environments where traditional tanks falter. Equipped with state-of-the-art weapons and sensor systems, the Tulpar excels in reconnaissance, offensive, and defensive operations. Tailored for adaptability, it is a strategic asset for military forces operating in diverse, difficult terrains, redefining dominance in mud and marsh warfare. The Tulpar tank represents a revolutionary leap in armored vehicle technology, purpose-built to excel in some of the most challenging and unforgiving environments on the battlefield. Engineered to dominate muddy marshlands, waterlogged terrains, and soft soils where traditional tanks struggle, the Tulpar's advanced design ensures unmatched performance and operational reliability. Its cutting-edge suspension system enables seamless movement across unstable surfaces, maintaining stability and reducing the risk of bogging down. The tank's lightweight yet highly durable composite armor provides exceptional protection without compromising mobility, while its amphibious capabilities allow it to traverse water obstacles with ease. Armed with state-of-the-art weapon systems, including precision-guided missiles, an automatic cannon, and advanced targeting sensors, the Tulpar is equally adept at reconnaissance, offensive strikes, and defensive operations. Its modular design allows for quick adaptability to mission-specific requirements, ranging from troop transport to heavy firepower deployment. Incorporating sophisticated onboard electronics, including real-time battlefield awareness systems and advanced communication networks, the Tulpar ensures seamless coordination with allied forces. Designed to operate in extreme climates and harsh conditions, it can maintain peak performance whether in tropical marshes, cold wetlands, or rugged floodplains. The Tulpar tank sets a new standard for versatility and dominance in modern warfare. Its ability to deliver unmatched operational efficiency in mud, marsh, and amphibious terrains positions it as a game-changer for military forces seeking a strategic advantage in complex and unpredictable environments. Stay informed by subscribing to our channel and turning on the bell icon for instant updates on our latest videos. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep up with our newest content and updates. For the latest updates and exciting content, subscribe now and activate the notification bell to stay in the loop.